Hello love bugs, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi, and today we're going to do a little something for St. Patrick's Day. We're going to keep it a little low-key, not rainbows and leprechauns, but you know, just a few shamrocks. So what I'm doing right now is just painting some nails. We've got that pretty cream color and that green on the end, and now I'm making a little mistake. I should have done a lighter green color on all three of these nails. I didn't. And you'll see why in a minute. And what I ended up doing in the end, and this was off camera so you're not going to see it, I fixed my mistake by just painting the underside of the nail. So in the end, when you get to the reveal shots, everything is fine. And if you make this mistake, that's definitely a way that you could fix it if you're working on, you know, full cover tips. You could fix it a little bit. Also, if you're doing nails on yourself, if you just painted the underside of your tips. But yeah, learn from my mistake and don't do that, because when you don't have a color underneath, if you don't get a full release on your transfer foil, you do have see-through spots. So whoopsity doopsity. We are going to do one full nail, but we got to do it 2 times, because when I pull this off, I don't know why, on this nail and only this nail, the transfer foil was just like, what the damn hell? So I redid it. I just put a new layer on, popped it in the lamp. This is Rosalind or Rosalind. I'm going to say it's Rosalind because that's what it looks like to me. So it's Rosalind transfer foil gel. And I find, and I'm pretty sure I've said this before, I find you need to cure it for 2 minutes and then let it sit for a while. And I had done all of the steps, so I'm not sure why that one did not want to transfer. But we're just going to put a new fresh sheet right on top. And it comes out okay. But again, if I had put a light green under there or even the cream color, it would have been fine. But in the end, I put a light green color, like I said, behind the nail, which does the same thing. It gives the same look. So it does change the color of the foil a tiny bit, but not so much that it would bum you out. So it ends up okay. You'll see. Like I said, you'll see. Okay, we're just about done here, and then we're going to do the ombre effect on the other side, on the other 2 nails that we didn't go all the way with the transfer foil. It's just like 3/4 of the way up. And you could put it all the way up if you wanted to, but as you can see, and this is the effect you want, you are going to see the transfer foil through that gel. And you can see that on here now. And we're going to intensify that a little bit going down, right? Because we're doing an ombre, and the ombre is between the pattern and just the polish, the plain polish. So if you had it going all the way up, it would a little bit ruin that effect. So I find going up 3/4 of the way gives you that effect that you're going for, where you only see that pattern a little bit. Now we're going to do a little stamping, and I love this Keep Calm and Carry On. I did miss a little bit of an opportunity. I could have used that on. And if I did this again, I think I would do it, because we're going to add the shamrocks, and I've got this on my Kads plate. Oh, excuse my voice there, on my Kads plate. And I tried a couple times, but I could not get it to pick up the polish all the way. And that happens sometimes when you have large pools where it has to pick up all that polish. So I just came in with the polish and dotted it in the middle to make sure that my shamrocks look correct. It didn't do it so much here on the gold ones that I put on the green, but here you go. We're going to Keep Calm and Shamrock On, and that's what I should have done, is then picked up the on and put the on down at the bottom. Missed opportunity on that, I'm going to go ahead and say. I'm going to cut myself a break. I'm not going to, lose sleep over it, but it reminds me to think through my designs just that extra step. And if I had done that, it would have just given this set one more extra oomph. Now I'm going to show you the set on the hand because I didn't like the footage I had of it on the stands. So here you go. This is the set on Carmen, and I'm telling you, super adorable. You could wear this much longer than just for St. Patty's Day, and it wouldn't be like in your face holiday nails. You've got that one nail where it really is like Keep Calm and Shamrock on, but the rest of it, this is just a springtime set. So I really love them. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. If you're still here, leave me a shamrock in the comments, and we're going to see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye-bye.